Hello everyone, on this video we'll be talking about hazard lighting and the wiring diagram, as you can see. So in this circuit we have a connection for directional indicators which are going to use to give us the general connection and the outlines of where we can connect the hazard switch. Now the directional indicator is working properly. You can see we have the left and right. So you can see the power supply is being fed to our flasher unit, which is leading to the blinking, which is also having an output to our relays. We have two relays, as you can see from the diagram. Now the relays that I've used, we have 4-pin and 5-pin relays, but I've used the 5-pin. The relay in my hand is a 4-pin relay. So if you can see it very well, the relay has a number of pin 30, pin 85, 87, and 86. So if you see the connection, our supplies are very clear. The supply is on pin the green ones, which are pin 30, and now when they are feeding up the relay, it gives output power, and each relay serves its bulbs. So when you flash on the right, we use the right relay. When you flash on the left, we use the left relay, with both of them being fed by the yellow wire. The yellow wire is now the yellow wire from the relay is our pin 87, which is now the output to our loads. And it is very clear from this circuit. The reason why we use these relays is because in case of any failure for directional indicators, which is very crucial, we need to serve the purpose of direction signs. Now, all this system is being grounded by the unit of either chassis or direct connection to the negative terminal of the battery. For easy connection, the shortest way possible is the best one to use. So as well, you can also check and see from the power supply, which is a 12 volt, we have it fused, then it moves to our switch. Now the switched feed should be supplied to the relay through pin 86. Now when you connect, it feeds the relay, then the relay outputs our previous power, which is from the flasher, which is at pin 30, to give an output. So it is very simple that whenever you turn the toggle switch, it relays some current to the flasher unit to switch it. So both the currents provided from the switch cannot serve both the relays at the same time. So one relay at a go, as you can see. When you turn it right, it fits the right relay. When you turn it left, it fits the left relay. So you can see we have idled pin 87 because it is not useful as at now. We are using a 4-pin and it's okay. Yeah, that is it has no need, but there are systems that we'll discuss later which can use that. Now, on my hand here, I have an hazard switch. Now, this is a switch that is now going to give us both the directional indicators flashing on at the same time. Now, look at this switch. This is just a toggle switch, but we can say it is a single throw double pole switch. Single throw double pole means we have how many poles? A pole is one connection to the other, so it is a single throw. It moves one end to the, but now we have the first pole, the red and white, the second pole, the red and white. So that's why we say it's a double pole, but a single throw. You can see it's a connection. We've looped the red to this end so that we have a unit supply of power, which is now transferred to both the ends on the white terminals. I think this is very understandable if we really understood the previous one that I showed on the toggle switch. We have used the on and off switch. Now, when the output is connected to this lane, now the supply is being fed to both the flasher units at a go. As you can see, if you connect it, now our previous switch is going to have the two whites connected on both ends. And this one gives us an easy way of supplying the input power to both ends of the relays at a go, as you can see. Now, follow that lane, the connection properly, it ends on our previous switch, but now it is not completely connected. It's not a complete circuit. Now, these two wires have replaced the previously one wire which was at the center, and they are now supplying directly current to the flasher. You can see when I put it on, both the lights gets on and flashes. And this is now wow, and that is what I was saying. It is very easy